Hello, Gutenberg enthusiasts. Today, we will customize and preview post metadata using essential blocks. Let us get started. First, ensure you have essential blocks and WooCommerce installed and activated on your WordPress site. Click on Essential Blocks and select Blocks. Next, scroll down to Creative Blocks. You are looking for Post Meta. Enable the block by toggling. Our next destination is the editor. Navigate to Appearance and click Editor. From here, we are going to Templates, then WooCommerce. You will see numerous product templates, but we are focusing on a single product for this tutorial. Once you are in, click the plus icon and search for the Post Meta block. Select it, and you are ready to customize it. You have numerous options for customization. Change the alignment and adjust the meta display. Here is an interesting feature: you can add meta labels. Fill in whatever information you need: author name, date label, product SKU, etc. Change the metadata positions from the storable content section. Now, let us explore style flexibilities. Adjust the label gaps, experiment with typography, or be creative with colors for both meta labels and values. This is your opportunity to make things stand out. Lastly, pay attention to the Advanced tab. It is filled with advanced adjustments, like customizing margins, padding, etc. Once you have everything arranged to your satisfaction, press that Save button. And there you have it. You have just customized your post meta like a professional. Are you prepared to give your WooCommerce products a makeover? Try it out. Your customers will appreciate the fresh new appearance. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.